So I welcome everyone. Showing on the screen is the site where we'll be getting our $50 no deposit bonus from, which I'm sure you'll be able to claim if you pay attention to this video, following every step I'll be pointing to in this video. So if by chance you're just seeing my video for the first time, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like and share to others so that they can also benefit with you on how to get a Forex free no deposit account. So proceeding, all you have to do is first fill in your details, open an account with them by filling in your details in this aspect showing right here, and make sure you fill them correctly. So once that is done, you will be brought to this part where you see details like this showing on your screen. So normally we are supposed to verify our details in order, which is very important, which you'll be needing if you want to make withdrawal, but that is not really compulsory. You can actually get the bonus before verifying your details. So firstly, you just click on these three lines showing up here, then it brings options where you'll be able to see no deposit bonus account. So you click on it and you see this aspect that shows create new one. Once you click on it, automatically a new account will be created for you with the $50 no deposit bonus already inside, as you can see showing on the screen right here. That's the $50 no deposit account. So the next thing you have to do is get details of the login details of this $50 no deposit account. Automatically from here, immediately you created an account with them, the details of the $50 deposit bonus have been sent to your Gmail. So all you have to do from here, you go straight to your Gmail, the Gmail which you used in registering with them. Go straight to the Gmail, get the details. You should be getting a mail like this, something like this, with the details of to log in into the MT5. So before I forget, let me show you how you verify your account. So you go back to the site where you created the account. Click on these three lines also showing up here and select document. So it brings you to this part. See, you just select your national ID card, your passport, bank statement, or utility bill, any of the above, and click on. If you click on browser, it takes you to your gallery where you can just pick up the image of the documents you want to submit. So from there, after that, you click on upload documents. So once you click on upload documents, it submits your document to their support and they'll go through it before verification. The next thing we need to do is log in the details we get into our Gmail to our MT5. Alright, right here in the MT5, you click on these three lines showing up here, and it brings the options where you click on this aspect showing up, manage account. So once you click on it, it brings you to this part where you click on plus. So once you click on that plus, it brings the search bar for the server. So you go back to the Gmail, you copy the server name, Promax Trading, come back to the MT5, paste it there, and make sure it brings Promax Trading for the server, just like this showing on the screen. So next, you put in the login details for which was sent to you in the Gmail. Once you put in the login details, you will be logged in immediately with the $50 no deposit bonus ready to trade. So I would have placed the order, but today is Saturday, so the market is closed. And please don't forget to subscribe, like and share the video so that others can also benefit with you on how to get a free no deposit Forex account. Have a good day, guys.